Hello guys, welcome to my channel Manu Aquatics. I'm here to show you my 6-footer tank. As you can see, I have a lot of cichlids, tether fishes and few algae eaters. It's a very simple cascade tank. I have one spider wood and that's it, some sand. And let's come to fishes. I have around 5 blood red parrots, around 4 polar parrots, 5 of silver dollars, and 6 Congo Tetras, a rainbow shark, and a tiger barb. Tiger barb is rescued, guys. Just let him be here. He's very old, so it's peaceful here. Look at this white polar parrot, guys. It's so beautiful. And this is my 6-footer tank. It's quite colorful, and there's my sump. I've put almost all types of media in there. Lot of snails, guys, but I don't care because it doesn't usually come inside the tank. It stays at the bottom. There's a inflow and there's an outflow. So I have some medias here. So this is my sump and that is my tank. If you like the channel, please like and subscribe. And if you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you guys. See you next time.